Hi everyone, this is module number 76 for the subject of strategic human resource management. Uh, this module is named as the application of the RBV to the firm social capital advantage. You people might have noticed that for the last few modules, actually we are trying to examine the different sources of competitive advantage. I'm talking about within the resource based view of the school, the different sources which are unique to the firm, which are valuable, rare, hard to imitate, or hard to substitute. So, in this module, we are talking about the social capital. Social capital within an organization is considered that it can be a potential source of competitive advantage. A social capital arises out of interactions between groups and individual employees. For example, different departments, R&D and marketing, and employees within the marketing, or employees within the production department, or employees within the uh, software house. Whatsoever your organization is doing, the employees within the department and employees out of the department in having an interaction with other employees. That type of social interaction could be a source of competitive advantage because this is or this can be rare in the organizations in your particular industry. We will see that what people say about it. So, the quality of these interpersonal and intergroup relations can also constitute a source. So, basically, these groups or these employees is not a source. Rather, when employees exchange their knowledge or they talk about an issue or when they are generating a new knowledge by interacting within the group or between the groups, they are creating a new source. And that source is known as social capital. Every organization may not have this source because that source is arising out of the interaction between the employees and the quality of those interactions. डेफिनेटली आपने देखा होगा कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में एम्प्लॉयज़ जो हैं वो इंटरेक्ट करते हैं और जो ग्रुप्स हैं वो भी इंटरेक्ट करते हैं लेकिन द क्वालिटी ऑफ इंटरेक्शन विल डिटरमिन वेदर दैट सोशल इंटरेक्शन is being generated as a source or not. So, when human capital and social capital operate synergistically, this can be a distinctive source of sustained competitive advantage. When we say about the human capital, that is organizational processes, that is the knowledge, skills, and abilities of employees. When that with the social capital, when human capital and social capital operate synergistically, so it is also a condition. It looks very easy that okay, that's fine, employees have a social interaction, and because of the social interaction they are generating a new source. It is easy to say, but it's not that much easy to say because to generate a competitive advantage there should be a synergy or there should be a synergistic effect. When we talk about the synergy, generally we try to understand by saying that when 2 plus 2 are equal to 5, or in other words, when the sum of individual parts is greater than the whole. When sum of the individual parts is greater than the whole. For example, when 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, when the sum of the individual parts is greater than the whole and it makes 5, how? From where that 1 is coming? That is the synergy. This is where the pluses and minuses of that system, or this is where the outcome of that synergistic effect is producing a greater benefit. For example, if you take a medicine and if you take another medicine, actually, when both medicine you are taking, they are having a synergistic effect or far better benefits if you take those two medicines individually. So the greater effect could be the result of synergistic effect or the synergy between the two medicines. Similarly, when organizations have different processes and different systems, they are creating a synergy or they may not be creating a synergy. When it is creating a synergy, that the human capital and the social capital and generating a new source, that can be a source of competitive advantage. And this lies within the resource based view of the firm, known as the social capital of an organization.